A Mercusys 5-port 10-100 1000 megabit per second desktop switch MS105G. So this was one of the most, if not the most affordable branded gigabit switch I could find. 4 gigabit ports, plug and play, power saving. Here are some of the specifications. A 10 gigabits per second backplane bandwidth, half and full duplex MAC address learning. So auto negotiation, auto MDI and MDI. Operating temperature and humidity. Package contains blah 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 blah. Model, serial number, and whatnot, and trademark information, and more things. There's a QR code. So here's an installation guide. WAN LAN port. So how does it pull out? Okay. LED explanation, frequently asked questions, and yep, this is the switch itself. Fancy wrapping. Thankfully no plastic wrapping on this, so wall mount capable, that's good. Serial number. So technically this could run off a USB port. So packaging is like this. And we get a standard, very lightweight power brick. No grounding, this is a plastic prong. 5 volts, 0.67 amps. SATA. And yeah, that's a nice coiled up wire. I guess this gets pretty long.